Have you ever found yourself wondering who is actually using RingCentral? It's a name you hear a lot in the business world, but what kind of companies are we talking about? Is it for tiny startups or massive corporations? Or something in between? If you've ever had a phone call, a video meeting, or a team chat for work, chances are you've interacted with a platform like this, even if you didn't know it. Today, we're diving deep into the world of RingCentral to figure out exactly who their customers are, what they're using the platform for, and why they choose it over all the other options out there. At its core, RingCentral is a unified communications platform. It bundles everything you need to communicate at work, voice calls, video conferencing, team messaging, and more, into one single, easy-to-use application. This all-in-one approach is what makes it so appealing to a wide range of businesses. But what does that wide range actually look like? Let's start with the big guys. RingCentral isn't just for small businesses. Far from it. They have a significant presence among large enterprises and even Fortune 500 companies. We're talking about organizations like the Golden State Warriors, the Detroit Pistons, and Ryder, a transportation and logistics giant. These are companies with thousands of employees and complex communication needs. For them, RingCentral isn't just a phone system. It's a mission-critical tool that keeps their entire workforce connected, no matter where they are. These large organizations often have a global footprint, which makes RingCentral's ability to support international operations and provide a consistent experience across different locations a huge selling point. So, why are these massive companies choosing RingCentral? A lot of it comes down to a few key factors. First, scalability. A large company needs a system that can grow with them. RingCentral's cloud-based solutions can easily scale up or down to accommodate new employees, new offices, or a new global strategy without the need for massive infrastructure overhauls. Second, a huge driver is reliability and uptime. When you have a company of that size, even a few minutes of downtime can mean millions of dollars lost. The platform's track record of high reliability and security is a major comfort for IT managers in these organizations. Finally, there's the sheer breadth of features. These aren't just basic phone calls. We're talking about advanced analytics, AI-powered conversation intelligence, and seamless integration with other critical business software like Salesforce and Microsoft Teams. For a company like First Bank, they've been able to upgrade their customer service and save up to 30% on phone costs across more than 100 branches, all by using RingCentral. The power of the platform to provide tangible business results is undeniable. But what about the smaller end of the spectrum? This is where RingCentral really shows its versatility. Small and medium-sized businesses, or SMBs, are a huge part of their customer base. These businesses often have limited IT resources and budget constraints. They need a solution that is cost-effective, easy to set up, and doesn't require a dedicated team of IT experts to manage. RingCentral's cloud-based model fits this perfectly. You don't need to buy and maintain expensive on-premise hardware. Instead, you can get a feature-rich, enterprise-grade system for a fraction of the cost. One small business owner, for example, talked about how switching to RingCentral was one of the best decisions they ever made, praising its easy setup, scalability, and robust feature set. For these businesses, RingCentral provides an immediate upgrade in professionalism and capability, giving them access to tools like virtual receptionists, call routing, and video meetings that make them seem much larger than they are. Then there's a whole other segment of users, one that has become increasingly important in recent years: the remote and hybrid workforce. The shift to remote work has completely changed how businesses operate, and it's a world where RingCentral thrives. The platform is built for flexibility. Whether you're on a desktop at home, a laptop at a coffee shop, or a mobile phone on the go, the RingCentral app provides a consistent and unified experience. This is crucial for businesses that have a distributed team or employees who are constantly on the move. For a company like Lush, which is a UK-based beauty brand, the ability to improve customer care and enable remote work has led to a 10% increase in customer satisfaction. The platform's ability to bring together voice, video, and messaging in one place helps remote teams stay connected and collaborative, no matter the physical distance. Beyond the size of the business, it's also interesting to look at the industries that use RingCentral. While it's a versatile solution that works for almost any industry, some have really taken to it. We see a strong presence in sectors like technology, financial services, healthcare, and retail. Medcare, a medical equipment provider, used RingCentral to cut their average call wait times by 40% and save 92% of the time they previously spent on call reviews and coaching. This shows how RingCentral is not just a generic communication tool, but one that can be tailored to meet the specific needs and challenges of a given industry. It's a platform that can handle the high-stakes, time-sensitive communications of a medical office just as effectively as the internal collaboration needs of a creative agency. So, who uses RingCentral? The answer, it turns out, is a lot of different people. It's the IT manager at a Fortune 500 company who needs a reliable, secure, and scalable system. It's the owner of a small business who wants to project a professional image without breaking the bank. It's the remote employee who needs to stay connected to their team from anywhere. And it's the customer service agent who needs a powerful tool to handle every interaction seamlessly. RingCentral's success lies in its ability to adapt and serve this incredibly diverse group of users, providing a unified platform that solves a fundamental problem: how to communicate effectively in the modern business world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.